Okay, hello all. In this video now, we will have the pie chart in this video. So first of all, we must know how to draw the pie chart. And I think that most of you can draw it in your primary school, so I will make this revision for you all. So first of all, this is the example for you. The table below shows the types of pets owned by the student in S1B in 1B class, and you will see number of students will get 10 for fish, and 2 for bird, and dog for 3, cat for 9, and others for 16. So draw a pie chart to present the data. So first of all, we must find the total one. The total number of the students, so you must know before you go to do all the pie chart. So the total number of students, you will see this is 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 9 and plus 16. So it's 25, 30, 40. So the answer is 40. So we'll use the 40 as base to find out all the angles of this one. So for fish, you will choose is fish. So let me put this here. Fish. You will have this one is called 10 over 40. So the whole circle is 360 degrees. So we times 360 degrees. So for fish, this is the angle is 90 degrees. And then for bird, you also have 2 over 40 times 360 degrees. So you find only 18 degrees is used. And for the dog, you have 3 over 40 times 360 degrees. So the answer for this one is 27 degrees Celsius. So 360 degrees. We always times the 360 degrees to do all the thing. And for cats, you will have 9 over 40 times 360 degrees. So you got 81 degrees Celsius. So it's easy for us to write down all the things. And last is the others. That is the 16 over 40 times 360 degrees. So the final answer for this one is 6 times 9 is 54. 5, 1 times 9 is 4. This is 144 degrees Celsius. So we are going to draw this figure with the angle of these answer. So let's have a look. First of all, we need to use the ruler. And then we will draw it one by one. So first of all, we would use the ruler to draw this straight line to the point. Okay, this is the first start. And then we will first draw the fish. The fish is 90 degrees, so the 90 degrees of the fish. So we draw it, this is the fish, okay? And then now, next is the 18 degree for bird. So 19 plus 18 is 108. So 108, you will have it here. So this is 108. So this is bird. And then we have 27 degrees. So that means 108 plus 127, that is 135. So we draw 135. This is the middle of it. A little bit difficult to draw. So we have this one. So the answer for this one is dog. And the final one is the cat is 81. 135 plus 81 is 216. So we will go to 216 here. So this is 216. So this is cat. And finally, this is others. So we can draw the figure like this. And finally, we can write down the title. The title below shows the types of the pet owned by the student in S1B. So why don't we use this as the title? So types of pets owned by the student in S1B. Students in S1B. So we have the title of the answer. We must calculate all these degrees Celsius so that you can find out the answer before you draw the figure. And now, if there's no problem, we will do the quick practice. Then we have the quick practice here. This is Mr. Chan's monthly expenditure, and you're going to draw the figure for you. So now I will give you time to do it. So first of all, please pause the video because answer will be released in 5 seconds. So please pause the video until you finish. Okay, now the answer will be now is this one. So we have the answer here. And then this is called the rent, and then we calculate the total one will be $18,000. So we will we'll make them all as the denominator, and then we put that 8,400, 1,500, 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, and we calculate all the degrees Celsius. It's so easy for you. This is 106 degree, 90 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, and 50 degree. So after that, we will have the answer for this one. This is from Mr. Chan's expenditure. We will see something like this. Rent, food, travel, clothing, and others. So we finished the first pie chart. Okay. After that, we will have the teaching example 13.6. So please pause the video if you cannot finish and you do not know what is doing, and then you can try to need more time to do the questions. Okay. Okay, now we will have the teaching example 13.6 now. Okay, this is the teaching example 13.6. The table below shows all the shoe size shown in the shop last month. For size is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we have the other percent. So first of all, you're going to find the X. The X is so easy for you to understand because for the total, that must be 100%. So we'll use 100 minus 15 minus 30 minus 10 minus 5. We minus the other things, that is 50. So the X will be 40. So this is 40%. So we will use this 40% to find out the answers. And for B part, you are going to draw a pie chart for the size of the shoe. So why don't we move it to here? Okay, now we have this one. So we will go to here for B. For 5, for the size 5, you will say, you can see this is, we will use the 360 degrees times the 15% immediately because we know that this is 15%. And then after that, we will use 100 over 15 when we can do some calculation for it. So the answer for this one you will have is, okay, 115, that is 20 over 3 over 20, that is 18. So this is 54 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is 54 degrees Celsius. And then for size 6, you will see 360 degree times 40%. So you will see this is 40 times 1 time. So this is 54 for 5. This is 18 degrees Celsius. So for 18 times 8, that is 144 degrees Celsius. Okay, 40% is 144 degrees Celsius. For size 7, you will have this 360 degree times 30%. So the answer of the degree Celsius is 108 degrees. Okay, not degrees Celsius, 108 degree. For size 8, this time is 10% only. So the answer is 36 degrees. Okay, last but not least, with the size 9, that is 5%. So we know the answer is 18 degrees. So we can write it down this final 54, 144, 108, 36, and 18, and we can draw this picture with the degree Celsius. For size 5, we repeat once again, that will be 54 degrees Celsius. So why don't we draw this is the 54 here. Okay, we look at this, we have 54 degrees Celsius. So this is size 5. Okay, for size 6, the size 6, you will have this 144 degrees. So 54 plus 144, that is 198. We go to here, 190, 198. So this is size 6. And then for size 7, that is 108 degrees Celsius. So this is 198 degrees Celsius plus 108. That means that you want much 2. So this is 306 will be 7. 300 and 0246. So you have this one is called 7. And then finally 8 is 36. 306 plus 36 is 342. 342. So this is 8. and final one will be the 9. Okay, so this is the shoe size. So you will write down the shoe size shown in a shop last month. Okay, this is the answer for the pie chart. Okay, now after that, I will. You are going to do the quick practice 13.6 now. This is quick practice 13.6, and now you are going to do these. You're going to do these things before you go to the the next question. The next example. So first of all, if you are going to do this question now, just pause the video. You can look at these questions and find the value of x and draw the pie chart to present the data. So make sure that you know the answer. After that, I will present the answer in 5 seconds. So make sure that you pause the video now. Okay, now we will go to the answer part. The answer part for this video, for A, you will see is x equal to 30 because the percentage is 30. And then because we minus all and we got 30 for the answer. And for B, we will find the accounting and the marketing. And this one, you will see 72, 108 degrees, etc., etc. We will find this one once again. And we draw the figure and we draw the pie chart like this. So this is the answer for quick practice 13.6. Okay, now we will go to the last example, that is 13.7 for the pie chart. Okay, this is the analysis data, so we must do it by, we are no need to draw anything now, so we are going to calculate x for you. Okay, now you will see this is find the value of x is the degree Celsius, so all these 5 degrees will add together will be 360, so immediately we know that the x will be equal to 3.